Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Nicole. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the dialogue 3 of lesson 10, HSK2. We need to figure out one of the characters in Chinese, N. You might already learn N when we're sharing each other's name. 我是 Nicole. 你呢? 你呢? This N has a meaning of, how about you? This N as a question word can followed by many sentences. Let's see the examples. 我是老师，你呢？我是酿酒师。In this dialogue, 你呢 means what's your job? 那个长头发的女孩叫 Emma。那个短头发高个子的呢？ This N means what's the name of that girl? So the meaning of N will fully linked to the sentence before N. The next meaning of N is quite similar as 哪, where, but the difference is when people ask 哪, that's the people really don't know where is something. But when people ask you end by N, has a meaning of this thing or this place supposed to be here, but why I can't find it right now? The thing may be moved by others, or I forgot where I put it. Examples. 你的手机在哪儿? Which means I really don't know where is your phone. 你家在哪儿? Maybe the first time for me to go to your home. 数学系在哪儿? You can notice when I say 哪儿, I generally say 哪儿, I have a at the end because I have northern accent. But if you feel hard to pronounce this you don't have to say. You can say 哪 is alright. 你的手机呢? Which means I might saw your phone on last minute. I want to use it now, but I can't find it anymore. 我的外套呢? Did you put it in other place? Why it's not here? 你妹妹呢? Where she go? Why she's not at home? So this is a difference between N and 哪儿. Another N generally be used at the end of the sentence. This one is not a question word. When people saying something is happening and we use N at the end, we'll make this sentence more casual. 我在看书。我在看书呢？我在看书。Totally right. But it's more feeling like a robot, or you don't want to continue to talk. You want to just give the answer straightforward. 我在看书呢? It's more casual and it carries more emotional nuance. In today's dialogue, we will make the number 2 and number 3 N. By the way, if you think this video is helpful for you, I would like if you can give me a thumb up. It would be really helpful for me. If you want to learn Chinese systematically and able to use the content you learned for your daily composition, don't miss my online course. This is a practical course especially designed for beginners and aligns more closely with our daily lives. This course includes 24 lessons, covering of the HSK1 and most of the HSK2 contents. And I will also be regularly offering online workshops and seminars to answer any questions you might have. Okay, let's dive into today's dialogue. 你怎么买了这么多东西啊? Why you bought such many stuff? 这么多, so many, such many. 哥哥今天中午回来吃饭. Old brother this noon back home have food. 回来 back, return, 吃饭. When people B is talking, these people was located at home. So it can say 回 and 来. 回来 back and return here. 我看看买什么了? Let me see. Double the verb means finish this action can be really short. 我看看 Let me see. Let's have a look. 买什么了? What you bought? 羊肉、鸡蛋、面条、西瓜。真不少. It's quite a lot. 不少. 少 less, few. 不少 more. So you also can say 真多, really a lot. Okay, N is coming. 妈妈呢? Where is mom? Is supposed to be at home. Why I can't see her? 妈妈呢? 正在准备午饭呢. She is preparing lunch. is doing something, is happening. So prepare the lunch. Another 这么多 and 真不少 they all have similar meaning, like such many, so many. They all have exclamatory tone. Some other words also can have exclamatory tones. 今天真热 Today really hot. 今天太热了 So hot. 今天超热 Super hot. 今天热死了 An adjective with 死了死 itself is dead. If it with an adjective has the meaning of extremely something. Today's extremely hot. 这个蛋糕很好吃。这个蛋糕太好吃了。这个蛋糕超好吃。这个蛋糕好吃死了。So you can notice you have to exaggerate when you say this. Okay, this is all of today's content. I will see you in dialogue 4 really soon. Bye bye.